Welcome back to Wellness Wednesday. Well, this year we are celebrating 30 years of National Public Health Week. The American Public Health Association says Americans live 35 years longer today than when the association was founded 150 years ago. And this year's theme is It Starts Here, Your Health, Our Mission. Local health leaders say your health begins at home and in your community, where we can create and participate in events that promote physical, mental, and emotional health. For 3 decades, National Public Health Week has worked to advance health equity, improve community well-being, and champion the policies that protect and promote public health. UT Tyler is hosting a week of events to highlight making public health a priority right here in East Texas. I talked with UT Tyler Dean Teresa Bird and Kim Bush with Spring Into Good Health about how we can all get involved and make a difference.
Spring Into Good Health is a community event, basically a health fair, and we have different health education materials, resources. We offer some pre-screenings, appointments to get pre-screened for mammograms. We have a big inflatable colon that you can walk through. This whole event had sprung from a colorectal cancer project. And so the goal is prevention, giving resources, information that sometimes people don't necessarily have to be able to learn what they can do, what resources are available, what things are free for them, how they can, make changes in their lifestyle that can help them actually hopefully not get to stages of severity and complications with diabetes, heart disease, and any type of cancer.
And that event will be Saturday, April 12th at UT Health at the corner of Beckham and 5th Streets. It's happening from 10 in the morning until 2 p.m. And it will be the culmination of a week of events to educate East Texans on the role that public health plays, which Bird says is really about prevention and keeping people healthy.
All of us have an impact on the health of our communities and our own health. And so starting with our own health, there are things that we can do, especially here in East Texas. We have a pretty high smoking rate. We have a lot of obesity. We have a lot of diabetes. And there are things that individuals can do to make themselves healthier. But there are also ways that communities and even society can work to help make conditions where people can be healthy. And so one of the things we do in public health is policy and, healthy policies like clean air and clean water and restaurant inspections and things like that. So, we kind of run the gamut of things, but really it does start here with me and you. And then we can spread it out and make sure the people in our communities are healthy.
The week of events to educate and make healthy East Texans a priority starts Saturday, April 5th, with a pre-party health fair at True Vine from 3 to 7 p.m. That's followed by a kickoff at the Tyler Rose Garden on Monday at 10 a.m. And there's also a special speaker coming Friday, April 11th to the UC Mabry Theater. Dr. Eduardo Sanchez, who serves as Chief Medical Officer for Prevention for the American Heart Association, will address the state of cardiovascular and brain health here in Texas. We have got a full list of the events, and we'll put those up on CBS19.tv. Coming up, the Texas